How to reset your YouTube feed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your YouTube feed. So let's dive right in. Go to your YouTube app and then go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Now tap on manage all history, and from here go to the controls tab on the top, and now scroll down and go to manage history. So here you'll see delete option on the right hand side. Tap on it and then tap on delete all time. So this will delete all of your history, and then your YouTube app will give you fresh recommendations. Just tap on delete on the bottom, and then there you go, the deletion has been completed and your YouTube recommendations will be fresh as new. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.